Actually, we are a group of companies. I'm into textiles, then I'm into tourism, and I'm into IT softwares as well. So we are basically we have four companies involved in different kind of things. Yeah, yeah, the first time. Yeah. Well, I think that it's very well organized. I must appreciate it. The way they have organized. It's very well organized. Very well organized. Yeah. Both, I would say that because this is the first time I'm here in Malaysia even, so I wanted to explore more and more things. If we can do better, even the imports or maybe the exports as well, or even sourcing from here, Malaysia, to different countries because I have my offices in different parts of the world. So we can sell products from Malaysia to other countries as well. Actually, I had two people, two meetings, but I'm expecting after lunch there are 3-4 more meetings. I hope that it will be good. No, here actually they came for one was interested in selling Malaysian food articles into Pakistan. They have very big, very long line. I would say a lot of products, and there's opportunity. And there was another company for engineering products, basically. Yeah. No, but I think that there is a possibility. Yeah, there is a possibility because Pakistan is a very big market. You see, 200 people, 200 million people, they live there, so it's a good market, and everything can be absorbed. People's standard of living is also increasing day by day there, so money is coming in. So people wants to buy imported things, and that's a norm of any human being, I would say, in any country. Yeah, yeah. People are very concerned in Pakistan, and you see even whenever they buy chocolates or other food stuff, they always write. Women wants to read the ingredients and everything. What is this? So we are very particular in that, and they like halal foods, of course. Yeah, and Malaysia is now getting I think that very good market for manufacturing of halal foods. Now even they've been issuing probably halal certification as well, from Malaysia. Yeah. Well, I think these kind of programs should continue because it helps to interact, with a lot of people. Even some people they come first time, like for me, and it's good to see a lot of delegates from different part of the world. It's not only that Malaysia is selling their product, but I would say that sometimes you get opportunity to meet other foreign delegates of your interest. So this is sort of, I would say, multinational platform, and that kind of activity should continue. I mean, it's a very good effort by the Malaysian government. I would say that. Much appreciated. Yeah. Yeah.